Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome to session 7, Organic Synthesis, the Art of Science. Modafinil C15H15NO2S of the structure below here, also known as 2-diphenyl-methyl sulfonyl acetamide, is an acetamide derivative with weak promoting activity. Perform the retrosynthetic analysis and a synthesis for this compound. Before you start solving this problem, listen to lecture 47 on Organic Chemistry 1 on this URL address. It will help you a lot. Well, retroanalysis, we have here sulfoxide, amide group, and aromatic. Sulfoxide we can get from sulfide, thioether by oxidation with hydrogen peroxide. If we cut in here to form the thioether, we can start here from alkyl halide, partially positive carbon, and the nucleophile sulfur, and we can get the bromo compound from the alcohol. The alcohol we get from carbonyl ketone via reduction, and the benzophenone we can get from Friedel acylation of benzene using benzoyl chloride. It's very simple, I guess, to an undergraduate student. Synthetic scheme 1, starting with benzene, Friedel acylation reaction using benzoyl chloride, aluminum chloride as a catalyst, we get the benzophenone. Reducing the carbonyl using sodium borohydride or zinc dust, sodium hydroxide, ethanol, we reduce the carbonyl to alcoholic group. Replacing the OH by chloride using thionyl chloride, methylene chloride as a solvent at low temperature. Reacting the chloride with 2-mercaptoacetamide, the lone pair here nucleophile will attack on this carbon and getting this out to form this thioether, which upon oxidation using hydrogen peroxide or hydrogen periodate to get the sulfoxide. This is our target molecule. Yes, indeed, we have here chiral center, but it's fine that we get here, according to this process, we get mixture, racemic mixture. Okay. Synthetic scheme 2 is just like modification of the previous scheme. Benzene benzoyl chloride to benzophenone, to diphenyl methanol, thionyl chloride to form Cl. So up here is the same exactly as scheme 1. Now, instead of reacting this with acetamide, we will react it with sodium 2-mercaptoacetate in acetone and water to get the thioether, and here carboxylic acid functionality. Carboxylic acid can be transferred to the amide first by treating it with thionyl chloride to form the acid chloride, and instead of OH here, Cl, and then replace the Cl with ammonia to form this species. Upon oxidation with hydrogen peroxide, here is our target molecule. Retroanalysis 2. Here is our target molecule. Sulfoxide we can get from the thioether. Here, instead of cutting in here, no, we'll cut on this carbon sulfur bond. So we'll get the nucleophile on this species and the electrophilic center on the acetamide. We get this thiol from the bromide, and the bromide we can get from the alcohol, and the alcohol we can get from benzophenone, etc. Okay, so reacting benzene once again with benzoyl chloride, aluminum chloride, benzophenone, reduce the carbonyl to OH using sodium borohydride zinc dust in basic media. Now, the scientists found that reacting the alcohol with thiourea and followed by acidification provided the thiol. According to the lecture 47, we can take the OH, okay, transfer it to Br using HBr, then treat the bromo compound with the thiourea. We get this thiol, treating the thiol with 2-chloroacetamide in sodium hydroxide, provided the thioether, then oxide the thioether with hydrogen peroxide to sulfoxide. This is our target molecule. We can find this procedure in Journal Medicinal Chemistry 2014 volume 57 page 1000 and reference cited therein. أتمنى أن تكون المحاضرة هنا واضحة سهلة جدا للي فاهم محاضرة 47 كويس، تطبيق مباشر للبيزكس، إن أنا أحضر إيه مركبات ذات قيمة صناعية ومادية وطبية. المركب ده أكيد هيكون في الصورة اللي احنا رسمينها دي أو بالبروسيدور دي هنوصل هنا إلى راسيميك ميكتشر. الادفانس ازاي افصل الراسيميك ميكتشر للانانتيومرز دي ادفانس شويه مش هنتعرض لها في هذه السيشن. See you next session.